So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can make reels on Facebook. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now here, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. After this, tap on your profile. Now here you will get various options. From these options, tap on create reel and now select the reel you want to upload. For example, this one. Now this will open the Reels page. From here, you can make changes to a reel. For example, you can add audio, add text, add effects, etc. Once you do this, tap on next. Now, describe your reel. For example, iPhone 16 impressions. Tap on done. After this, tap on share now. And this will share the reel on Facebook. So this is how I can make reels on Facebook. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.